In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track author copy orders on KDP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're not familiar with the process yet. We'll go step by step to ensure you can easily track your orders and stay in the loop about the status of your shipments. Let's dive in without further ado. First, you'll want to log into your Amazon account. This is your starting point for tracking orders, including those all-important author copies from Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. Consider this an essential first step. It sets the stage for everything else. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your KDP account. If you're logging in from a shared or public computer, remember to log out after your session for security purposes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Orders section. This is the hub where all your orders, past and present, are listed. You might already be familiar with this if you've ordered from Amazon before. In Your Orders, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your purchases. This area is typically easy to access. Look for it in the menu, usually under Account Settings or similar. If you have a lot of orders, don't worry. You can utilize the filter feature to sort by date or category, which helps streamline your search process. Next, it's time to find your specific KDP author copy order. If you've ordered multiple author copies or have a high volume of personal purchases, use the order details to assist your search. This might include your order ID or the estimated date of delivery given at the time of purchasing your author copies. You might also look for unique features of the order, like specific book titles or order numbers, to distinguish it from others. Patience is key here. Thoroughly comb through the list to pinpoint your author copy order. Now, with your order found, you can track its shipping progress. Click on the tracking information associated with your KDP author copy order. This will provide you with the most up-to-date shipping details. You'll be able to see something akin to an order timeline, showing when your copies were shipped, their current location, and the estimated delivery date. This will give you a clear picture of where your order is and when you can expect its arrival. As a tip, keep an eye on this regularly, especially if you're planning an event, like a book launch or signing, and need those copies to arrive on time. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to track your KDP author copy orders with ease. By following these steps, you'll be able to monitor your shipment's progress and ensure you're never left wondering where your books are.